Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 has lost power and won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty motor or electrical connections. If left unaddressed, you might find yourself unable to use your device entirely, leading to more significant repairs down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a multimeter for testing, a replacement motor for the TM21, and some plastic prying tools. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any accidents. To open the Thermomix, carefully use a plastic prying tool around the edges to release the clips without damaging the casing. Once opened, take a moment to inspect the interior. The motor is typically located at the base of the device. To locate it, follow the wiring. It connects to the main power source. Once you've pinpointed the motor, use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws securing it in place. Be gentle when applying force, as over-tightening can strip the screws. As you disconnect the motor, take care to note where the wires connect, as this will be crucial for the reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After extracting the old motor, install the new one by reversing the disconnection process. Make sure all connections are secure and that the motor sits snugly in place. Once everything is tightened, it's time to close the device. Gently press the casing back together, ensuring that all clips snap into place. Before plugging it back in, double-check that no tools or loose components are left inside. Once you're ready, plug in the Thermomix and test it to see if it powers on. If it works, congratulations on the successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your Thermomix and avoid overloading it. This will help maintain the motor's health and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.